how to share draft reels to friends. So if you want to share draft reels to your friends, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Instagram application at first. Now, after opening your Instagram, go with the plus option, which will be in the top left. And now on the top left, as you can see that you will have draft. You need to tap on draft. Now, once you tap on draft, you need to go with the edit option, go with the pencil shaped icon, and then go with the arrow, which will be in the top right. And here you need to go with audience, and under audience, you need to go and select close friends. And under close friends, you need to go and select the persons or select the friends that you want to share the reel with. Click on done. Once you've made your selection, you need to share the reel and tap on share it or send your draft reels to your chosen friends. Go with done, which will be in the bottom. After that, go with next and share. Once done sharing, you can go with your profile and just wait for a few seconds, and you will have a reel right here that you've just posted, and then go with share and then share it to your friends. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.